Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential factors that contribute to the growth of beginner graphic designers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, understanding these key elements will set you on the path to success. 1. First up, let's talk about time. Becoming proficient in graphic design doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires dedication and patience. Graphic design involves mastering various principles and techniques, which takes time. Beginners need to allocate time to study design theory, understand software tools, and explore different design styles. Time is required for practice and repetition. Beginners must dedicate hours to creating designs, experimenting with layouts, and refining their skills. Through consistent practice, they gradually become more proficient in executing their ideas. Over time, repeated exposure to design concepts helps beginners internalize them. With enough time spent practicing and experimenting, design principles become second nature, allowing beginners to apply them more intuitively in their work. 2. Next, let's discuss effort. Growth in graphic design is directly proportional to the effort you put in. Growth in graphic design requires active engagement. Beginners should actively seek out learning opportunities such as online tutorials, workshops, or courses, and apply what they learn to their projects. Effort is needed to foster creativity and experimentation. Beginners should invest effort in exploring different design styles, experimenting with new techniques, and pushing the boundaries of their creativity. Design often involves multiple iterations and refinements. Beginners need to put in effort to iterate on their designs, gather feedback, and make improvements. This iterative process is essential for growth and development as a designer. 3. Lastly, commitment is crucial. Setting goals, staying consistent, and persevering through challenges are essential for long-term growth. Commitment involves setting clear, achievable goals for growth. Beginners should define what they want to accomplish in their design journey and create a roadmap to achieve those goals. This might include mastering specific software, building a portfolio, or landing freelance projects. Consistent effort over time is crucial for growth. Beginners should establish a regular practice routine, dedicating a set amount of time each day or week to design-related activities. Consistency helps maintain momentum and facilitates steady progress. Design can be challenging, and beginners may encounter setbacks or obstacles along the way. Commitment means persevering through difficulties, staying motivated, and not giving up when faced with challenges. Resilience is key to overcoming obstacles and continuing to progress as a designer. And there you have it. Time, effort, and commitment are the building blocks of growth for beginner graphic designers. Remember to embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop creating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. And today is day 80 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Until next time, keep designing.